For today's video, we are going to Copenhagen. And starting this trip on a good note, I'm at Prague Airport Terminal 2 and I got lounge access today. Now, here's the thing, airport lounges sound fancy, but they're actually not just for business class. You can get in even if you're a regular traveler. So we're actually inside and they have olives. Ito, this is soup, hindi ko na binuksan. But they also have here salamis, cheese, ham, paprikas, pickles, tapos dito na side for kids. So you can bring them with you while traveling. They can have fun with other kids. Eto, selfie zone. Kung gusto mong may souvenir ka from Prague Airport, so pwede ka magpa-picture. And eto, yung area na to, may pa-chip sila, cola, sodas, tapos eto, very popular to sa Czech Republic, babovka, and it means marble cake. So, eto, sa section na to, may pati, and of course, coffee lover tayo, so ipo-push natin. May espresso, may lungo, may macchiato, and I think kukuha ko mamaya ng cappuccino. Dito naman, cereals. Meron silang muesli. Tapos you can mix it with yogurt. Ito yung parang typical European food. Tapos may jam, different kinds of butter din. Ito yung bread nila. Tapos mahilig ka silang uminom. Mahilig ako din. Mahilig din akong uminom. But kung sometimes I drink beer. Tapos, may juice din sila dito. And then kung gusto mo ng ano, medyo light lang, wine. So merong, white wine. I believe this is semi-dry and I like yung mga pa-semi lang and white wine ang I think I prefer more of white wine compared sa Cervene Vino. Eto, Cervene Vino, ibig sabihin red wine. So, I hope I can pronounce this. Sauvignon. So, very uh, basic food, drinks. Ay, eto, bago lang. Kakarating lang, may pasta sila, tapos goulash, and then meron silang chicken nuggets, tapos, baby potatoes, tapos kung gusto mo ng medyo healthy side, so etong section na 'to ang para sa inyo. Mga salad, cucumber. So, again, basic food, drinks, tapos may comfy seats sila dito, and most importantly, peace and quiet. Kaya yung, choice ko dito sa corner na 'to. So, nakakuha na tayo ng food and this is for the first round. Eto, meron tayo dito focaccia, sausage, couscous, onions, tapos very light na red chili pepper. And then of course, goulash, water, and kailangan natin ng energy booster coffee. So, kailangan natin may energy tayo to start our trip and we are spending our time here. And guess what? This is my second round. At saka, what do we have here? Babovka, so marble cake, and meron tayo, ay, may nahulog pa. Sorry, ang stand ko. Okay. Sorry naman, hindi masyadong representable ang table ko. But anyway, we have added drinks here. So, juice, and then water, and of course, espresso. Kailangan natin ng coffee ulit. So, yes, I will just eat and let's see the verdict. So, let's try this. Kamay na lang natin. Ang hirap. Okay. Pak. Sarap. Vonga. This is Vonga. Okay. So let's try this. Babovka. Pak na pak. So, andito na tayo sa transit bus and lounge review muna tayo. So, when it comes to food, it was simple but decent. Not really amazing, but it did the job before the flight. And when it comes to cleanliness, the lounge was well maintained. Everything looked organized and comfortable. At saka yung pinaka-highlight, ang pinaka-nagustuhan ko yung security check kasi it was so smooth and easy. So, no long lines. Very quick process. Actually, hindi nga ako pumila eh. So, andito na tayo sa plane and next stop, Copenhagen! Mga beb, we safely arrived here at Copenhagen International Airport. Thank you, Lord. At saka, ay, andito na ang ating ride to get to the center. At saka hindi ka dito mawawala kasi nasa information naman sa display yung schedule ng kanilang public transportation. And may nabasa ako from a local Dane, much better if uupo ka sa front ng wagon kasi eto yung surprise. Yes, this is the front view. Makikita mo talaga yung tunnel. Parang mafe-feel mo talaga ikaw yung nag-ooperate ng train. So, 'di ba, ang galing. So, I can recommend to find a vacant seat here. At saka, dito sa side na 'to makikita mo yung information of the stations, kung saan ka pupunta, kung saan yung destination mo. At saka maganda lang kasi yung impression ko is malinis, very easy to find and to understand yung metro or yung public transportation system nila. So, tingnan natin sa likod. O, 'di ba, may mga seats pa. Tapos, quiet dito yung mga tao. Kung mag-uusap sila, parang minimize lang yung voice. So, anyway, to get to the center, sa case natin, 2 stops lang naman from Copenhagen Airport to Norreport Station for 9 stops, 15 minutes, and then a little walk for a minute from Norreport to get to Vesterport. So, yun yung station, yung nearest station to get to our hostel. So, yes! Malapit na and wow, grabe parang ano talaga, ikaw yung nag-ooperate ng ano, ng train. So, in a bit, we will reach our destination. So, andito na tayo sa Steelhouse, Copenhagen, and let's go inside! Yes, and we're finally inside of the hostel, and our room number is 110. Steelhouse Copenhagen ang ating hostel accommodation. So let's swipe this card to get in. Actually, nalagay ko na yung mga gamit ko. But just to let you know na there should be 6 guests who should occupy this room. So, sa atin, bed 1. So, meron din tayong locker dito. At saka, sana okay yung mga roommates ko. And as you can see, para sa mga towel natin, so designated hooks. May pa-big mirror dito sa toilet natin, tapos may blower, tapos may sink. So, parang good impression, Tapos ito yung bed number 1, ito yung area natin. Nalagay ko na yung mga gamit yung, kailangan ko dito, tapos merong pa-lights. Tapos may USB port, meron ding mga sockets dito for charging, tapos yung mga charging cables niyo puwede niyong lagay diyan. So, excited what it's gonna be like. So for 5 nights and 6 days, eto yung bathroom for 6 people. Kaya kaya 'to? So nakikita natin ang bed number 2, bed number 4, eto yung bed number 3, bed number 5. So sana okay sila yung mga ka-roommate ko. I was thinking sana ano, corner tapos lower deck yung bed ko pero walang available. So, para may space ka din dito, 'di ba? So, you can put your things here. Tapos may pa-hook pa, 'di ba? You can ano, put your jacket kung ano man yung gusto mong ilagay diyan, but unfortunately walang available. So, sabi ko okay na at least lower deck para 'di ba easy to access yung bathroom, tapos yung toilet. So, let's go outside and explore Copenhagen kasi may sunlight but I think medyo malamig. So, let's see. So, let's see and explore kung ano yung mga amenities dito sa hostel na 'to kasi according sa website nila meron sila ditong gym, meron din silang pool. So, tingnan natin kung parehas ba sa website nila. Kasi, 'di ba, kahit nasa bakasyon ka, you get to exercise at saka maganda kapag active ka pa din with your routine. So, let's see. Eto, may nakalagay naman dito na 'yan yung ay, may TV room. Yes, tapos may cinema din. Let's see kung kaya na oy, bar, games, tapos may kitchen din sila. I think nakita ko na yung kitchen area. Ay, eto. Eto yung kitchen area nila. And according sa information, may days lang na close sila. I believe it's for cleaning and maintenance. So, just be aware of it. Tapos, ay, ang ganda oh. And I do believe na kailangan mo ng access card dito. So, eto yung hallway, very modern, tapos well-maintained ang area. Makikita mo na malapad. Tapos, let's just go down and let's see kung ano yung makikita natin dito sa part ng floor na 'to. And yes, confirmed! Meron talagang pool. So, hindi ko na ifi-film yung side na 'yan muna kasi baka may mga naka-bathing suit or naka-trunks. Eto yung the venue. I believe 'pag may mga live show, may mga pakanta, pa-dance, so dito ang ganap. So, may big monitor tapos eto yung area, the venue, tapos may paano pa, um, recreational, Chuvanes. Tapos nakita ko na din yung gym nila sa left side, eto yung gym, may treadmill, tapos merong mga weights, pull-ups. So, ang kagandahan talaga is kahit you are on vacation, active ka pa din, to be healthy and to be fit and may ang opening hours nila from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. And kailangan din ng access card dito. At saka eto din, yung pool rules and regulations. So, kailangan mo din ng access card dito. So, isn't it amazing na may enjoy mo yung part ng hostel, hindi lang yung ano mo, sightseeing or discovering Copenhagen, but also your stay. So, andito na lahat, I guess, or the things that you need. So, let's explore more kung ano pang makikita sa ibang floors. Yan, okay. So, ito, nadaanan na natin 'to just to make sure na hindi tayo maliligaw kasi malaking area siya, eh. So, I guess we can go up, and yes, this is yung katabi ng reception area. So, puwede kang tumambay dito, kumain if you have your own food. So, yan yung reception area, and meron din silang parang, I mean, chairs and tables for you to probably eat or you can order here. Nakita ko kanina may mga salad, may mga ano, small snacks, tapos ito yung menu nila. Eto parang tambayan din if gusto mo lang mag-chill or to meet with other travelers or solo travelers or maybe group travelers. Ang ganda kasi talagang ano siya, malapad. So, may space talaga. Tapos ito yung coffee machine. I think kailangan mo mag-order before ka mag-ano dito, I mean to drink or to enjoy. Tapos ito, parang recreational naman, pamilyar. So, this is our accommodation for 5 nights and 6 days. So let's explore outside Copenhagen. Yes, we are outside. At saka walking-walking muna tayo kasi dapat maging familiarize din tayo sa place around your hostel or any accommodation. I believe eto yung tinatawag nila na by the lakes at saka ang weather ngayon is malamig. Pero may konting sun, parang on and off lang siya. Pero okey na din, 'di ba? At least hindi umuulan. May mafe-feel ka lang na strong wind but kiber, yun na lang. At saka i-enjoy mo na lang talaga, eh, rain or shine. May mga nagjo-jogging dito, meron din yung ano lang, parang fun walking lang. So tayo, just to get to know the place around at saka yung mga nearby stores na pwede nating mabilhan ng mga essential. Kasi ako gusto ko na ma-familiarize yung place para kung gutom ako anytime, pwede akong lalabas at saka bibili na lang. So yes, wala talagang plano for this afternoon pero dire-diretso lang tayo siguro. Hala, grabe sila mag-bike, oh, talagang todo. So, eto, let's just see how it goes with this cold afternoon, pero may a little sun. So, let's enjoy. All right, that is for my first day here in Copenhagen. From Prague Airport Lounge to finally arriving here, it's been a pretty smooth start. I didn't do much exploring yet, just getting settled and checking what's around my area. But tomorrow, I'm going out properly and exploring the city. Let's see if Copenhagen is really worth the hype. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on my socials, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, Travel with Gerald. I'll see you in the next episodes. Bye!